Alright guys, so I just copped these books, $20 for these three. I got Global Issues, 2017 edition. I got The World Today, and I got, oh shoot. What's up guys, I'm in the lab right now. As you can see, you got the Econ degree vinyl on the wall. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your first 10 grand online with no money. Now this is what I started out doing in the beginning when I was still in school, when I had easy access to what I'm about to show you. And guys, this works. This still works, and it's always gonna work. There's a very huge market for this item, and this literally requires no money. The only money you're gonna be paying is on the investment of the product, if you have to pay for it, because sometimes you don't. And you're gonna be paying the eBay or Amazon fees that you have to pay once you sell the product. So make sure you watch this whole video. It is a very good one, and I'll catch you on my computer. I'm going to show you how to make your first $10,000 online reselling textbooks, guys. Now, textbooks, and I'm talking about college textbooks, are always going to be a hot thing to sell because there's always going to be new college students, and they're always going to be looking to buy cheap textbooks. And colleges, they always use the same books, right? They've been using the same books for years. So some books, are used more frequently than others. So some books hold longer longevity than other books. And I'm going to show you how you can source these books and resell them online to make a nice profit. Now, step number one is go to the Facebook Marketplace, right? So if you don't know what the Facebook Marketplace is, it's basically the Amazon of Facebook. You can sell and buy locally on here from people in your area, right? So if I go on here and I type in textbooks, so textbooks, textbooks, college, you're going to see that a bunch of listings pop up. Some of them are even free because a lot of these college students don't have that entrepreneurial mindset where, they're trying to sell these to make money, or a lot of them spent a good amount of money on these textbooks and, they're trying to do their due diligence, be nice, and give them away for free to other college students that might need to use them. So as you can see, boom, a bunch of college books right here. I'm just going to click on a random listing. I'll just click on let me see, this one right here. So Essentials of Health, Policy and Law, 3rd edition, $20. Now, guys, this is the Facebook Marketplace. It's not like Amazon or eBay where the price is firm, right? On the Facebook Marketplace, all these prices are negotiable. All right, guys, so this is a listing. I just want to show you an example of a listing. He's selling all these books right here. You really got to be a savage when it comes to like offering what you want for these books, because a lot of people, they're overpricing for the books. It might be a good deal in their eyes, but you're trying to sell these for a profit. So like this guy right here, he's selling this one for 20, this one for 50, this one for 25, 20, 35, 10, 20, right? You got to disregard all that. I came up straight up with him. I was like, I would like to buy all. He was like, how much? I was like, I'll give you 60 for all. He's selling one book for 50. I don't give a fuck. I said, I'll give you $60 for all of them. He was like, what you mean? Can't do 60. We started talking. Boom, boom, boom. It got to the point where I told him I only have 100 to my name. Like I said, you got to be a savage when you're offering these people to get those low prices, In total, all that is like 180. But eventually I got him down to $100 for all the books. And I'm actually going to be meeting up with this dude probably either later today or tomorrow. Right now, you can see someone just texted me. I'm just waiting across the street here. This is the girl that I was just talking about. I'm finna pick up 3 books from her for $20. And each book is going to sell for about $20 to $30. So that's a good deal right there. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I know, what book to buy, what to buy it for, and what to sell it for, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you find out. And like I said, some of these books are even free. So if you literally have no money, just go to the free ones and pick them up. If you get them for free, there's no way you can't make money on those. But what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to type in college textbooks. Same thing, college textbooks. And there's a lot of ways to sell textbooks, right? You can sell them direct to consumer by relisting them on the marketplace, or you can sell them to websites like this. So you got campusbooks.com, Slugbooks, Bookfinder. Like, this is a very big niche. So there's multiple websites that offer cheap college textbooks, and they offer to buy them as well. So as you can see, buy, rent, sell. If I go to sell textbooks, I can type in the name of that book we just looked up. So let's go to our Essentials of Health Policy and Law, third edition. Essentials of Health Policy and Law. Let's enter that, see if they have it. Okay. Dun-dun-dun. Is this one? What does it look like? Third edition. Is this a third edition? Yep, third edition right here. This includes some other stuff, so I'm gonna just pick the regular one right here, third edition. I'm gonna click sell, and let's see what they're offering for this book. And now this is just what this website offers for this book, so I could sell it for more. Okay, so they're selling it on here. I could sell it right here for $11.85. Okay, so obviously I would have to get this book from her for probably like $5 for it to make sense for me, because I always want to at least, make a 50% margin on the product. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to go to eBay. eBay and Amazon, guys, are the number one way to sell these college textbooks. I just recently found out about these college textbook websites that you can resell on. But when I first started, I was selling on eBay and Amazon. So we're going to go to eBay and we're going to type in Essentials. What's the book called? Of Health Policy and Law, third edition. So we're going to let that load. Okay, so as you can see, third edition right here, going for $29. What I like to do is all the way here on the left, what you can do is you can scroll down, and where it says show only, you want to sort it by sold items. If you sort it by sold items, you're going to see how frequently it's selling and what you can sell it for. So look, same book right here, Essentials of Health Policy and Law. This is the third edition, sold for $26, guys. Boom. Same book right here. Actually, that's not the third edition. Let me actually type in third edition. So third edition, but definitely make sure you sort it by the sold items. Okay, this one sold for, it doesn't say, I think around $30 though. This one's the PDF, sold for $3. PDF. This is the actual book, sold for $19, $17. So from what I'm seeing right now, $26, $20, $30. Guys, there's a lot of money in this niche. Okay, pre-owned, $17. From what I'm seeing, a lot of these websites, college textbook websites that I just showed you, for example, Campus Books, Slug Books, all these websites, they're essentially doing what we're doing. They're buying books and reselling them. So they're always going to offer you less money than Amazon and eBay, because what they're going to do is they're going to buy that book from you, and then they're going to go and sell it on Amazon and eBay, or they're going to sell it direct to consumer. So I would say Campus Books, Slug Books, all these college textbook websites that buy books, that's like your last resort. If you get left with a book that you can't sell, you don't know what to do with it, then I would sell it on here to, get that money back. But definitely Amazon and eBay is the way to go. Now let me look for this same book, but on Amazon. Oh, and there's another book I was looking at on Campus Books, Architectural Graphics. But let me go to Amazon real quick. And let me type in Essentials of Law and Health Health. Third edition. Okay, so as you can see, this one's at $94. I don't think it's selling at that though. As you can see, there's 10 used, $79. Right here, 52 used, $19. So yeah, Amazon and eBay are definitely the way to go. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't let you see like the sold ones, but keep in mind, Amazon is getting traffic like crazy. There's always people shopping on here. So if you list your products on Amazon and eBay, one of them is gonna sell. All right, guys, what's up? I'm at Georgia State right now. I just did a pickup though before this at Whole Foods. I just copped these 2 books for $100. I already sold this book on Amazon for $54.99. I'm actually pull that up. And then this workbook right here I got as well. It was included. It's brand new, still in the plastic wrapping. This one's gonna go for like 90 to 100. So I have these 2 listed already. Like I said, I already sold the hard cover right here. And I'm waiting on this girl right now. I'm paying her $20 for 3 more books. Those I haven't sold yet, but $20 for 3 books. Each book is gonna go for like 30 on Amazon. So I know they're gonna sell eventually. So it's still a good deal. I'm waiting on her right now. I'm gonna pull up the sale I just made so I can show you guys I'm not capping. 1 second. All right, so there's the sale right here. $54.99 on the, is it focusing? On the Survey of Mathematics book right here. That's this book right here. And then the workbook I listed for like $109. I'm the cheapest on Amazon, so that's the key. Once you get these books, if you make sure that you're the cheapest price on Amazon, then you're lit. If once you get to the point where you're copying 100 books a month, 100 plus, and you're doing Amazon FBA and you have 1-day shipping, then you can charge more premium prices. But because I'm shipping them all myself, I'm making sure that I'm the cheapest price on Amazon. Definitely give this a try, guys. You do not need a lot of money to do this. Really, you don't need any money to do this if you're just picking up the free ones and reselling them and then recycling that money. I hope you found value in this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yonder.